Hello, everybody. Good early morning, which as it's almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, it's almost 6 o'clock. It's not that early, but today's the day of the big cold front, y'all. Today's the big day of the storm, and we're seeing strong winds out here already. But it's only up to 20 miles per hour. It's only up to 20 miles per hour right now. Wow. Yeah, y'all. Wow. This is what it's doing right now, y'all. The backyard over there is doing the most. Wow. This wind is already strong this morning. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. The tree that's in front of y'all is blowing, but y'all can't see it because it's too dark. But it's about to become, the sun. The sun about to come up, but it's gonna be cloudy though. But it's gonna be more brighter out here. Like y'all can hear the wind, right? It's like, wow. Y'all hear that? Woo! Y'all hear it now? Whoa! That is amazing over there. That is amazing. For one thing, I have never seen 25 to 35 in a while. It seems like that these cold fronts been like only 20 to 30, but this time, this is my first 25 to 35, y'all. This is my first 25 to 35 miles per hour, y'all, since August when we had Hurricane Debbie. Look at that. This is insane. Whoa. Alright. I'm gonna do this video. I'm so excited for this darn win. Oh my. Whoa! It's the Arctic Blast out here! It's the Arctic Blast! Yo! It ain't that cold, but there was a storm of the Arctic Blast in 2022, and that wind was bad. And it hit my area, and that wind went bad, and it knocked out the power. Oh, I think we might lose power today, cause these power lines be tripping. Yo! Alright, everybody, I'm gonna have to end it here, y'all, and make another video later on the update of the wind. Or I can just pause this video and just edit. Well, no, I'm pause it. Hold up. I'll see y'all in the next hour. Wow. I hope this grill stay up today, because it always be falling. It always be falling. Still there anyway. Alright, everybody, it's getting a little bit more brighter out here. And it's getting more windy out here. But it's still completely dark on camera. But it's not completely dark in my point of view, as I can say it. So as I'm gonna say it, okay. My point of view, yeah, you can see the trees not clearly better on camera, but it's but you can see it is, it's kind of getting, the wind is picking up,